I warned everyone in my last turbo price prediction about a potential dump. We dumped very heavily and we managed to buy the dip on the VWAP curve yesterday, and I'm looking to see where I want to take profit. So I will not waste a second of your time. We'll start right away. Keep in mind that the video is no financial advice. Let's start. So the first thing, I want to see the time price opportunity. So I want to see what is the value area high of today, and it really seems that a 4% target at 3702 will be my last take profit. Yes, I'm higher, but keep in mind that this right here is also a fair value gap from here to here that we might just get filled in and then dump. So I wouldn't be super interested in that, but yeah, we're definitely pumping. We will probably be pumping for next few days. So that was a very quick scalp on my part. We also had a short right here that I told you about on Friday, then another one on Saturday. We just got a really good short. I'm bullish now. We're waiting to see a good reaction of these levels. If you want to learn more about my strategy and how I'm up to 274 grand from meme coins on BOOX, I will log in after the video for the next one. Use the link in the description below. See you next video. Bye.